Hey friends, Mr. Chad here. This week in science, okay, we're going to be talking about forms of energy and magnets, okay? But in this video, it'll be forms of energy. Can you say that with me? Forms of energy, okay? And the different forms of energy that we're going to learn are going to be light, okay? So that's what helps you see things. So light energy is what makes you be able to see, okay? Then there's thermal energy. It's what makes things hot, okay? Like a stove. Okay, and then there's sound energy, just like these fireworks. When you can hear the fireworks, that is sound energy. Okay, and then electrical energy. That's what gives the lights when you turn them on. That's what gives them their energy, and then it turns electrical energy into light energy. Okay, electricity is what we use to run all our machines, our refrigerator, our washing machine, our dishwasher, okay? All that needs electricity to move the parts in the machine, okay? All right, so first we're going to do our read aloud, a 4th of July celebration on forms of energy, and then you're going to get your workbook out and you're going to turn to page 13 and we're going to do forms of energy in your workbook, okay? All right, you ready? Here we go. A 4th of July celebration. Reading science, kindergarten, force, motion, and energy. It's the 4th of July, and Kara's mom and dad take her to the park for the day. It's a warm summer day. That must mean there's thermal energy. And Kara decides to go on the playground first. What do you think the sun has done to the sand in the sandbox? What happens to the sand when it sits in the sun? It gets hot. Kara sees other kids on the playground. What does the little boy see in the sky? Oh no, someone lost their balloon. Do you know what keeps the kite in the sky? Wind. The wind does. The wind has energy. Kara hears something rustling in the bushes. What could it be? The sun is making Kara very hot. What can she do to cool off? Buy a popsicle? Put her feet in the creek? Drink water? She could do all these things to cool off. It is getting late. The moon and stars are beginning to appear. What happens to the temperature outside when the sun goes down? When the sun goes down, the temperature goes down. It gets colder at night or cooler. Okay, Kara and her friend Annie get ready for the fireworks. What will they look and sound like? I think there'll be sound energy and light energy. What kind of noises might Kara and Annie hear when it begins to get dark? Lots of sound energy from different animals, like an owl and a cricket and a frog. They make sound energy, just like we do when we talk. Wow, look at the beautiful fireworks. We learned about forms of energy, such as thermal, light, and sound. What a fun 4th of July celebration at the park. All right, here we go, friends. So now get your workbook out, okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's begin. Okay, it should be on page 13. Page 13. Okay, you ready? All right, here we go. Read along with me. Use your finger to follow me, okay? We use energy to do things every day. There are different types of energy. Energy from the fire cooks the hot dogs. This computer uses energy. Food gives us energy to play. This phone uses energy. So I think this phone and the computer use electrical energy. Okay? The fire is giving off thermal energy and light energy. Okay? Here we go. Next page. Forms of energy. Something that gets hot has thermal energy. We feel heat from a hot oven. A hot oven can bake cookies. We can see this burner heat up. If we are close, we can feel it too. So you can see it, so there's light and We can feel it, so there's thermal energy. We can see the thermal energy from this cup of coffee in the form of steam. It's hot. We know that because of the steam. You hear music when you sing and play an instrument. That's sound energy. You can feel beats coming from stereo speakers. You can hear and feel sound energy. Next page. Now you try. Circle the thing that makes heat. Put an X over the thing that makes sound. Let's see. Which one makes heat? Fire or the whistle? Fire. We circle it. Which one puts out, which one makes sound energy? Whistle or the fire? The whistle. Fire too. It can make crackles and pops, right? But mostly, oh, we want to put an X. X over the one that has sound. Okay? Alright, next. We can see the light energy. We can see the sun's light energy every day. At nighttime, we can see the light from the stars. People make things that have light energy. Flashlight, clock, and television. So all of these use electrical energy to make light energy. So it changes. Last page. What do you think? Answer these questions with a partner. Remember, share how you know, so you can talk to your mom or dad, brother or sister. Does a microwave have thermal energy? Does a microwave have sound energy? Does a microwave have light energy? Okay, so thermal makes things hot. Sound, you can hear it. And light, you can see it. So look at the different places. Do you hear anything when you hear the microwave? Do you see any light when you use the microwave? Does it make things hot when you use the microwave? Put your answers right here. Okay? Now you try. Look at the photos below. What kind of energy does each object make? Hint. Write thermal, light, or sound. So we have three options. Thermal, light, and sound. Okay? Look at the photos below. What kind of energy does each object make? So we have a bell, a toaster, and a lamp. So where does thermal energy go? Where are you going to write thermal? On the bell, the toaster, or the lamp? Where are you going to write the word light? For light energy, will it be on the bell, the toaster, or the lamp? Where are you going to write the word sound for sound energy? On the bell, the toaster, or the lamp? You choose. Show us what you know. All right, see you next time, friends, for magnets.